In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Godaddy domain in Vercel. Let's make this process smooth and simple so you can get your domain up and running in no time. First, let's start by logging into your Godaddy account. Once you're logged in, head over to your account dashboard where you can see all the domains that you own. What you're looking for is the domain that you want to connect to Vercel. Click on that domain to open up its settings. Now that you're in the domain settings, find the section labeled DNS Management. This is where you're going to manage all your DNS records, which are crucial for directing your domain to Vercel. Don't worry if this looks a bit intimidating, we'll break it down step by step. Next, open a new tab and log into your Vercel account. Once you've logged in, locate your dashboard and select the project that you want to connect your Godaddy domain to. After selecting your project, navigate to the settings. Inside the settings, find the tab or section called Domains and click on it. This is where you'll be adding your Godaddy domain. In the Domains section, there's usually an option to add or connect a domain. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to type in the domain name you want to connect. Go ahead and enter your Godaddy domain here. After entering the domain, you'll likely be given a list of name servers or DNS records that you'll need to add to your Godaddy DNS settings. Now, return to the Godaddy tab where you have your DNS management settings open. Here, you'll need to add the records provided by Vercel. Typically, you'll be adding either name or a records. Select Add within the DNS management page and choose the record type that matches what Vercel has provided. Enter the details as specified by Vercel. The host and points to fields are crucial here. Once you've added the necessary records in Godaddy, go back to Vercel and complete the domain connection process. You might have a button to verify or save the changes. Finish up this step to ensure Vercel acknowledges the connection. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. This means that it might take a few moments or sometimes up to 48 hours for the domain to start pointing to Vercel correctly. Be patient and feel free to reach out to support if it's taking longer than usual. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Godaddy domain to Vercel. This setup allows your visitors to access your Vercel hosted site seamlessly when they enter your custom domain in their browser. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you'd like more guidance, make sure to check some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.